The Sea Breeze Cocktail. Ingredients needed: Absolute vodka, cranberry juice, freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, grapefruits for decoration, limes for decoration, a Collins glass. The Sea Breeze, a light and refreshing cocktail that pairs perfectly with sunny days at the beach. Let's start our cocktail by cutting half a slice of grapefruit to decorate the glass. Make sure that the slice is small enough to fit in the narrow profile of the Collins glass. With tweezers holding the slice of grapefruit in the middle of the height of the glass and adding ice to the glass to be able to hold the slice in place. Make sure that the glass is topped with ice before adding the alcohol. Add 2 ounces of Absolute vodka in the glass. You can choose other types of vodka, will not affect the taste of the cocktail. Measure 3 ounces of cranberry juice and add that to the glass. Add 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. Make sure that you strain the pulp before you add the ingredient to the glass. With a bar spoon, mix lightly just to keep ingredients together, trying not to touch the grapefruit slice. To add a final decoration, get a lime and cut a lime wedge to put on top of the cocktail. Add on top of the lime wedge cherry and put a bar pick to keep the 2 decorations together to make a nice color contrasting decor for our cocktail. Place the decoration on top of the glass. Enjoy the Sea Breeze cocktail.